Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the beginning stages of Vendetta. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with the top of his eyes first. So I'm just going to draw in two lines, one across, and then on the corners we're going to dip it down. Same thing on both sides. Then once you have that, we'll just close it off on the bottom. Okay, and then on the inside, just gotta draw a little, kind of like a little half circle for his eyeballs. And then I'm gonna shade it in. I'll try to leave a little bit of a highlight. Okay, so those are his eyes, and then for his eyebrow, just go right on top here. Go up and then kind of dip it down toward the end there. And then let's go up and just give it some thickness. Come up, come across, and same thing here. And just close it off. Alright, and then from there we're going to draw his nose. So around the corner, you just come down, make two little marks, and then close it off with an angle. And then right underneath his nose, we're going to draw his mouth. So we just keep it simple. Draw one little line, give him a little bit of a smile. And then on the lower lip, just one little line. Alright, so now we can fill in the rest of the face. So we just come out to the side here. Just gonna draw almost two vertical lines coming down, right around to the mouth area. And then once you're here, just turn it in to finish up the jaw. And then close it off. Okay, so that's his face. And for his hair, we're gonna go up. Well, actually, you know what? Let's just go ahead and draw in his ears first on the side. So let's come out to the side of the eye. Let's draw two little brackets. Okay, so now let's go up and finish up the hair. So right in the middle here, I'm just gonna draw this one little angle first for one of the strands. And then on this side here, just go out all the way to the side. And on this one, we're gonna continue up. Just curve it in. And then whatever space you have here, let's just add one more little spike. Alright, so now we can finish up the top. So for the top here, we can start in the middle. We'll go up. This is going to be the top of his head. And then we'll come down. I'm going to add a little bit of spike here. And then curve. Just come in behind the ear. Alright, and then on this side, start from the ear, just go up. And then right here, we can round it out, but let's just add a little bit detail here. Just little spikes, little strands. So it doesn't have to be exactly the same, but as long as you have some of these little strands, you'll make it look a little bit cooler. Alright, so that's his head, and let's move on down to the body. So let's start out with his neck. Draw two lines coming down, and then we'll come in, just kind of round it off. And it's got this huge collar, so we're going to draw on the side here. We're going to come out. Just pinch it in. And then close it off here, the center. And then we're going to draw the same line again. So we're going to come down first. This is going to be his shoulder. And then we're going to come in again. So just follow the same line on top. Just pinch everything in. Close it off. And then in the corners here, just connect them. Alright, and then on the inside here, we can add in just a little line there for the shoulders. Alright, so let's continue on with the body, and the body is pretty simple. It's just got some details on his shirt here. So we're gonna start with the shoulder, just slant it out, nice and wide. Pinch it in all the way down to his waist. And then we'll continue it down slightly, just flare out. And then come in. It's gonna be the bottom of the shirt, just a little bit longer. And then just close it off. Alright, so that's a good stopping point, and now let's work on the arms. So coming down here, here's the armpit. Back to the shoulder here. Come down, and I'm gonna keep going, just all the way down to his bicep. Here's his armpit again, come down. So that's gonna be his elbow. And then for the lower arm, we'll flare out. This one's gonna curve. This one is straight down. And we'll close that off first. So right around here. And now for his fists, come down with a little angle. Back of the fist, and just turn it, close it. And let's just go ahead and finish up the detail right here. We just add one little line here. Alright, so same thing on the other side. Come across, that's the armpit. Shoulder, and then let's keep going down slightly. Back to the armpit, come down. So here's the elbow. Lower arm will flare out. Curve, straight down. We'll close it off. And for his fist, it's coming with a little hook. Same thing here, back to the fist, turn it, close it, and then same detail. Just one line across. Alright, so now let's add in a little bit of detail here before we move on. Alright, so now let's add in a little bit more detail to his shirt before we move down to the legs. So on the shoulder here, I'm going to draw one line coming in. And right around here, another line. And then we're just going to connect those two. It's got a little bit of shoulder padding here. So line, line, and connect. Alright, and then for his shirt, it's got some detail here. I'm going to start right here on this edge. Just come down to the side of the waist. And then from this point here, here's the armpit. Come down a little bit, and then I'm just going to connect that to that little corner. Okay, and then go back to this corner. Come down, make it a little bit wider. And then now I'm just going to follow this line here. Just follow that, go up. And then lastly, just follow this curve. Just go up. Okay, so this part's gonna be kind of like bluish. Okay, we're gonna go back up here again. Slant down toward it. And then just go out toward the armpit. Okay, and then down here, we can start here. This one's easier. We're just drawing a little angle like this. And on this side, same thing here, but a little bit shorter. And then from this corner, same slant going up. And then one more line. Alright, and then we'll do the lettering later. Gets a little bit tricky with that. It's kind of like bubble letters. So now let's draw on his legs. So in the middle here, one curve, come back to the middle, extra fold or crease. And then now we're going to continue with this line. Come down for his legs, come in, come back here, down, come in. And then for this one, for his knee pad, just go up and then close it across. And then same thing here, we're just gonna continue with this coming in and close that off. So that's the knee pad. Alright, so now let's draw on the other side. So it's gonna be pretty much the same. Come down, slant, inside. And for the knee pads, go up and then come across. And then continue this line here, just keep going down and then close it off. Alright, and then for the lower legs, we're gonna come back up here. We're gonna flare out. Gonna go all the way down. Well, we're gonna stop a little bit short and close this off first. And we can actually add, let's go ahead and add a little line there. It's got a little cuff. Alright, and then we'll continue it just slightly. And then here's your shoe. We'll close that off. And a dome shape coming down, and it's come out more on this side. Close it off. And then for the detail on the shoe, one line across, come down, and then go out. Alright, so same thing here. Lower leg, flare out. This one's gonna curve, come down, and let's just close it off early again. Extend it. Okay, dome shape coming down. Go out more on this side. Close it off, and then same detail here. One line in the middle, down, and then go out. Alright, so that's pretty much the leg, and for the details here, he's got some detail on his pants here. So he's got some straps right here, one. And then whatever you have here on this corner, we're just gonna go up. So that's another strap. And for the pouch on the side, just come out, little rectangle, and just add in two lines in the middle. And we can add a little pocket here. Slant and then go out. Alright, and then for the letters here, let's just try to simplify a little bit. I'm gonna start in the middle here, just come across, come down. I don't even know what kind of letter these are. This kind of looks like a T. Come down and just close it off. And then for this one, we're just gonna slant, come across. It's kind of like an F. I'm just gonna simplify it. It's almost like a little boomerang. Alright, and same thing here. Angle, and then just give it some thickness. And that is it for this beginning stages of Vendetta. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.